Reading is a complex task that requires the integration of a variety of processes. Scarborough's reading rope illustrates the many skills that must be mastered to achieve reading proficiency. While word recognition skills allow a reader to decode the words in a text, language comprehension skills are necessary to make meaning of those words. Students need instruction in both of these categories from the beginning of learning to read. Many young students come to school without the experiences and exposure to books that build critical language comprehension skills. Excite Reading helps close that gap. Its library of human-narrated ebooks engages students with authentic children's literature and is available anytime from anywhere with an internet connection. And step-by-step lesson plans make it easy for educators to implement science of reading-based instruction in their classrooms, while also saving them valuable planning time. Because background knowledge is vital to reading comprehension, Excite Reading groups texts into themes based on science, social studies, and the arts. These text sets provide students a broader context in which to deepen their understanding of the content. And Excite Reading's thematic unit guides offer ways to integrate the themes into other content areas, which provides different perspectives on the topic, increases retention, and continues to build the background knowledge needed for reading comprehension. The lessons also include vocabulary building activities. Because students can understand words they are not yet able to decode, Excite Reading chooses books above students' reading levels and offer many opportunities for them to hear and use robust vocabulary words.
A plateau stretches miles long.
Through its focus on background knowledge and vocabulary, Excite Reading builds language comprehension skills that are crucial to skilled reading, as Scarborough's reading rope illustrates. To learn more about how Excite Reading can help your students build essential reading skills and enjoy reading, call us at 1-800-221-4792 or visit learningally.org.